Hi guys, welcome to QB365 YouTube channel. This is our first video since Jan 2020. We have not providing any videos from Jan 2020 due to COVID related issues, and thank you so much for your support. We are receiving a comment in every day, those who have said when is your next video, when is your next video. We are really sorry for that. So hereafter we will regularizing our video materials for CBSE and state board students. Okay, and thank you so much for your support. Now we are going to discuss about the case study questions. The new word from CBSE section. Exactly, from 2020 itself, CBSE and NCERT announced a new question pattern called case study questions. So first of all, what is mean by case study questions? So it's completely different from other question patterns. It's like they are providing some paragraphs or image, or else some whatever, like, or paragraph. So that paragraph only, they will asking 5 questions or 4 questions or 5 questions. So using that paragraph or that image only, they are asking 4 or 5 questions. So your answer should be based on that particular paragraph. So this is the case study question pattern. So every case study question have 5 different questions in that based on that paragraph. So they will provide each and every questions. They will provide a 1 mark for each and every questions. So totally it will be in a 5 mark question. But in the case of 5 different 1 mark question. So this is the case study outlet. So now we are going to discuss about 12th standard mathematics subject case study questions. So QB365 plan to give 2 different parts of case study questions for 12th standard math subject. So this is the first part. So we will provide case study questions with complete solution. So this is the first question. It has been considering the map if we are following A tends to B. So this is the question. So using that question, they are asking 5 different questions. So you can see the first question, like domain of Fs. The second one is range of Fs, and third one is if G is equal to R tends to. So these are simple questions based on above paragraph or above question or above image. Okay, so you have to answer for those 5 questions. So each question have 1 mark. Okay, so QB365 provide complete solution for case study questions, like a step-by-step solution and one word solutions. All the things will be provided by us. So you can just look at it. What are the things you have to do for the case study questions? So case study questions will be a very bigger part of upcoming public exams. So CBSE planning to make public exam 2020 for 2 different phases. The first one will be on November, December of 2021. The next phase of exam will be conducted on April and the mid of May of 2022. So you have to prepare for that in the terms of case study. So because 10th and 12th students, the case study question pattern is very important for your exam preparation. Have to go through because case study questions and case study questions ideas didn't get from NCERT books. Okay, it's purely based on that particular chapter and that particular subject. Okay, so have to go through the case study well. Initially have to study well that particular paragraph or that particular image. So that image or particular paragraph only you have to make the sense of next 5 questions. Okay, you can just go through the video. So we will explaining around 10 to 15 case study questions. Okay, here is the second question. To promote the making toilets for women, an organization tried to generate awareness through, one is house calls and emails, and third one is announcement. The cost for each mode per attempt is given below. So first of all, if you are taking a case study question, you have to initially study well in the paragraph. Okay, so you have to read well the paragraph or image, whatever they're giving in the question tag. So based on that particular above question, they are asking 5 different questions like that: 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5. So QB365 providing complete solution for all those case study questions, which is very useful for your examination point of view. So in that video description we will provide that PDF downloadable link. You can just download it and check it over it. So and also within a short of period we will launch the exam preparation apps for students, so which is completely for state board and CBSE students for class 6 and class 12. So it will be more benefit. So continuously following our channel, it will be a very booster for your exam preparation. Within some time we will launch our application, and also we providing all the kind of author solutions, and also the hard question solution and value based solutions and NCERT book solution, and all other extra creative questions will be in our blog site. I just provide that link in description. You can just go to the website and check it over it. Okay, within 1 or 2 days we will provide the second part of case study questions for max subject. It will be more useful to understand the concepts. Sorry guys, I just scroll down here. We are highlighting that section questions and also the answer keys. It will be more helpful for you. You can just follow our YouTube channel. We will provide next set of important questions in the 12th standard mathematics and also the other subjects. So next we plan for assess and reasons and MCQs platform. This is MCQ. It will be in a very helpful for your upcoming exam, because the NCERT and CBSE planning the first phase of public exam of 2021. It will be in a mode of online test, like in a full of MCQs test, I think. So you can just go through our YouTube videos. It will be more helpful on your exam point of view. We will provide upcoming updates and other important question patterns and MCQ model test, and also the case study and assess and reasons on all the things. You can just follow our study material blog and also our application. We will launch soon our mobile app for CBSE and Tamil Nadu state board students for all the kind of study materials. Okay, and thank you so much for your watching, and thank you so much for your support. Just in the description you can just download the PDF. You can get it over it and check it over the complete case study patterns. If you have any doubt regarding that particular question paper, you have just put it as a comment. We will definitely help to you for the investigation. And thank you so much, and thank you so much for your watching.